Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use chart templates on TradeLocker. It's quite simple because right now we want to add some indicators to our chart. So what we're gonna do right here is we click on indicator and we want to enable this. Let's say we enable this. Let's say we want to enable this and let's enable this. So now we just randomly insert some indicators right here, and we want to save this template. This is just an example, but we want to save this. So what we're gonna do right now is we go here to this and I click on save indicator template. Then right now we give this a name. So we do test 1 and then we click here on remember symbol and remember interval. So if we hold our mouse on the eye, you see exactly here what he will save. And right now if you click here on save, he saved this template. So now when we delete all the indicators right here and we go here to template and we click on test 1, he adds all the templates to our chart. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.